In today's video, I want to talk to you about Napkin AI. It's a pretty cool text to diagram tool. The tool's in beta right now, so everybody has access to it. You can experience the full features that the tool has to offer. I will leave the link to the tool in the description. So let's get started. All right, here I am in Napkin AI. The way you would reach this is you could Google it or you just go to Napkin AI. So really quickly, I just want to show the pricing. Right now it's free in beta, but as you can see, the always free plan is limited. But it depends on what you want to use it for. So like with the starter plan, you can create up to 3 napkins. It's limited with the autographic quotas. Day mode only, so you can't go to night mode like I have. Right here, you could choose from the 3 different colors. You get community support, you get all editing tools access. But right here, this is the one that I'm on now, which pretty much everyone can use because it's free. I'm not sure what they're going to charge for these, but you can see here, day and night modes, unlimited napkins, unlimited visuals, access to all the colors, priority email support, and then they're going to have an enterprise plan here. You could see that. So I'm going to go back to Napkin AI. This is what you would do is you would click new napkin and you could use either draft with AI or blank. I'm going to choose blank. And what I'm going to do over here is go just get a portion of a research paper that I got off of Google Gemini. I used to generate this to try and get some information. Just going to copy this portion right here, and I'm going to go back into Napkin AI, and I'm going to paste it. And then what you would do is, like right here, you could just generate a graph based on this section here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the whole entire thing. And then you would come over here and you would click this symbol and the AI starts to work. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate an infographic. And as you can see here, it's got tons of different styles of infographics. So like you would click the different styles like this one, you would click styles and then it would give you the different options here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to try let's try hold on, let me just scroll it here. Just try like this pie chart style. And then right here, I can just choose the different types. Like right here, you can see the colors are a little bit different. Um, you know, so you kind of get the idea. Uh, and what you would do is, so you would click it and choose this one. And you could export it. You could change the layout, change the style. So again, you could go back into what we were doing before. You change a different style. So like if I wanted to keep this style or I wanted this way, you could see the font changes. So I want to click that one. Then if I wanted to click export, here's the different options you have with this. You could do light mode, you could do dark mode, background on, background off, like as a PNG with no background. Better resolution for when you want to export it. I'm going to keep this one right here. You could do it as an SVG, you could do it as a PDF, you could do it as a PNG. You could also copy it and then paste it into something else. I'll just click download. You can see right there it downloaded. You see right here, you could do image. You can upload an image. You can drag and drop images. You can copy and paste images from elsewhere into this. Right here would be label. You can give it a label. Like, I'll just try type test. Um, right here would be sketch. So you could do this. You could draw over it. You could change the way it draws. This is a circle. Obviously, I turned that into a square. You could turn it into an arrow like this. So as you can see, there's tons of different things that you could do with this. Spark search. You could also do a search like if I clicked on cat, I could add like a little image, like an outline of like a cat, change the color on this, click red, different types of things. So in some ways, that's kind of similar to like, something like Excalidraw. I don't know if anybody knows what that is. I use Excalidraw sometimes to create my own infographics. But that one you got to create obviously on your own. With this one, it's got the AI in the background that you can just, grab all the text and then just create these type of infographics. So at least this kind of gives you some kind of like an overview, so you could see like what you could actually do with it. That's why it's in beta, which is kind of cool. Everybody has access to it. You can paste in whatever you want. You can just you can create your own, just by typing in something, whatever you wanted, and then just clicking this. So, like if I just went here and I just got this section and I click this, it's going to just break it up and it's going to go in between and it's going to give me a whole different infographic. So, like if I went with this style right here, I click it and then I choose that. As you can see, it puts it in between. And then you can go in and you can copy this whole entire thing if you want as like your own kind of made post, if you wanted to add in infographics in between all this type of stuff. So that'll give you an idea. And then if you click library, you can see right here any of the ones that you created will be here. You click these, you could download this as a PDF, you could also duplicate it, or you could delete it. So all right, I hope that gave like a an overview to anyone who's watching, basically what this tool can do. I think it's pretty good. It's it gives you a lot of different options. It's pretty much a text to graph type of tool. So really quickly here, I just wanted to show the settings, the account settings. There's not many, but you could change the language here. You could change the page breaks, based on the format you want, like A4, US letter, 16 by 9 presentation. Right here I have it as hidden. You can turn page lines off, page lines on. You see how the page lines go away here. And also, dark mode, you can put the colors normal, then you click inverted. It doesn't show any kind of dark background. This one will show the white background on the actual infographic itself. Then if you click on your picture here, you can see your account. There's obviously no way to upgrade since it's free right now. You got the help support. You click light, there's the light mode. You click auto, or you can have it dark as I'm set. So that's just a little bit more of the settings and functionality of this tool. I'm going to show you here real quickly. If you click new napkin, click draft with AI, you can type in a prompt and then you can generate something just using AI. Like for example, I'll click this one, the best practices for a hiring interview. It's a pretty basic prompt, but at least with this, you'll get an idea. So it's going to create, you know, basically kind of like a blog post or a blog post outline. And then once it's finished, you can take a section like I showed earlier, and you can just, grab this and create the little infographic in the middle here. And you can, you know, choose whatever you like. You could, same thing as before, I'm going to click this here and you can just, as you can see, it's just similar. It's just that with AI, it'll actually create something for you, kind of like, you know, the AI generated information. Um, but that's about it for this section of it. All right, that's going to wrap up this review of Napkin AI. Hope you enjoyed it. I would recommend the tool for anyone that wants to create infographics for their content. It does it pretty quickly and it's got some pretty good functionality. I'm not sure what the prices will be in the future, but it could be worth it depending on, what they price it at. I'll leave the link to it in the description and we'll see you in the next one.